Hi! In front of me is Poco C65 and today I would like to show you how you can edit passwords saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Now tap on All Services. Select Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Finally, just click on one of your passwords that you wish to edit and enter your current login method. Lastly, tap on Edit button next to the delayed one and change wherever you wish to. When you finish, click on Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my password and username has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!